I'm Chris Burns. Welcome to Watermark.
I like making a difference.
People are never happy to see us, but they love it when we leave.
We genuinely care about our customers.
It's like the sense of family.
Our job is to make sure you go back to pre-loss condition at the very least. And usually, frankly, it ends up being much better than you were pre-loss.
Before I agreed to start this company with my partners, we had an understanding that if push came to shove, we would rather lose money on an individual transaction if it meant keeping our customer happy. Fortunately, we don't really have those issues, right? Because you could go out of business. But that mindset, that's the most important thing you get with us.
It's high stress for them. And I like being able to come in and talk to them and calm them down and let them know that we're going to take care of everything for them.
We are actually there helping people. A lot of people we get are really confused. They don't know what to do. We enjoy just making sure that the customer's taken care of and that we're helping people.
When I go first sight on scene, I'm able to, after doing this such a long time, visually map out where has this water gone, where has this mold gone, and then coming up with a game plan that's safe for us, that's safe for the homeowners, so we could execute it in an organized manner.
These are our tags here, our QR tags to tag all the furniture and items. Our iPad to create rooms.
You know, if you choose Watermark, you're always going to get kindness, respect, all the things that the consumer deserves. We're going to return your call. I hear that all the time. Wow, you guys actually answer my call. It's like, yeah, of course we do.
We treat every customer like their family. The idea is just treat every one of them as if they were a family member, or treat the house like it's your own. You know, treat all of those things like they're personal to you, and you're going to make the right decisions, and you're going to form the right bonds, and you're going to do the right thing.
We are very clean. We always leave your house better than when we came, and you don't see that very often.
Our attention to detail in our relationships with the homeowner. I truly think that's the most important thing. You know, I've had people in the past come inside my home, do some work, and I kind of felt like I was a stranger inside my own home, and we eliminate that factor.
We advocate for the insured.
It's making like conscientious suggestions of, hey, why don't you ask your insurance adjuster if your mileage can be reimbursed from your temporary place of living to, you know, your damaged home? They ask and they go, my goodness, Chris, yes, that's right. I didn't know that. And it's like, that feels good, you know?
We know what the insurance company's response is going to be before we even ask the question.
If there's any issues regarding insurance coverage, we'll fight for you. You know, we'll be the attention to detail. We'll send the photo reports. We'll send all the documentation that's needed. You know, we do all that communication.
We put that expertise together with genuine care and our motivation to help people, and Chris's skill with his communication and just bringing that whole thing together. It's unique, it really is. And until you've experienced it, you know, I don't think people will know. So get on the phone with him and you'll know what I'm talking about.
I love and understand building science. I also love and understand insurance policy. I'm like a big nerd that way. I know this sounds crazy, but like going into the insurance industry, I was reading policies just for fun, which I know is probably not too normal, but it gives not only us a huge advantage, it gives the consumer a huge advantage.
Most proud of how we work as a team together. This group is phenomenal, and I couldn't ask for a better place to work, and I'm just proud of this company.
I love that it's ours, that we didn't buy somebody else's restoration company, that we didn't buy into a big franchise. It was organic, because we grew this ourselves. We did this on blood, sweat, and tears, and our knowledge and experience, and we didn't take the shortcut. It's important to us that we kind of keep on that trajectory, and you know, we do things the right way, and you know, we started without taking shortcuts, and we're going to end this thing without taking shortcuts.
One thing that separates us is our people. I think it takes a very special person to do what we do and to do it well.
Knowing that the community actually knows us. I mean, we always give them a report card, so everybody knows how they did on each and every job. And I tell you what, it's like 5s is our highest number. The majority of our report cards are all 5s. More than anything is how everybody gets along so well here, and everybody likes working with each other, and just being able to help people in the end.
The owners and the management that care about the team players in the group and the leaders in the group, they tend to be happier, and then we tend to serve our customers better. And so when you have happy employees, you have happy customers.
And so a success story is this very large insurance company was telling this insured, this consumer, no, we're not going to do any more. This is it. Kind of leading up to sue us, right? We filed this complaint at no cost to the consumer, and we ended up getting that decision reversed. It took a long time. I learned a lot, and one of my first ones I did, it took over a year, but then to get that resolution, right, where they're not going to have to come out of pocket to rebuild this kitchen and this bathroom and this dining room and this, it seems so impossible. It's not. And so yeah, it's a great success story, and I hope we have many more like it. It's a powerful thing to be a part of that. It's a powerful thing.
Serving our customers is our number one thing.
Everybody cares, and it's amazing. It's not just a job to us, it's a lifestyle, and we care.